Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Learning Latest Fun. Today we will discuss about addition counting for more than one digit number. How we can count the addition where the digit is more than one. So let's get started. Let's do first for two digit number 53 plus 24. How we can count this? Okay, how we can addition this. So what we need to first do is uh, one by place the digits one after another. Okay, so like place the every digit in after one of digit. Okay, so we need to start counting by 3, like after like 53. So 3 after 3 it should be 4, and like after 5 it should be 2. Okay, it should be placed like this. So then only we will start addition to the count. So let's count first. We have to count 3 plus 4. So how we are doing the counting for 4 one digit, that same thing we have to do, but we have to start from the last, like from the right side we have to start counting. Okay, so we have to do individually as a one count. Okay, for this one digit count. So if for this 3 and 4, if we start counting, 4 is the bigger number. Okay, so what we will start for, how we will start is 4, then 5, 6 and 7. Okay, 4 is the bigger number, so we have to start from 5 and we need to count till 3. So 5, 6 and 7. So here we have to put a 7 just down to this similar line. Okay, then we have to go to left side. Okay, left side. Then which is which counting is coming? 5 and 2. Okay, so we have to count the 5 plus 2. How we will do? 5 is the bigger number. We have to add in 5 the 2, right? So we will start count from 6. So 5 and then 6 and 7. So this is also a 7. We have to place in this exact down to this. So the 53 plus 24 is exactly the 77. Okay, that's how we can count. Let's back to this 3 digit number. So where the 101 plus 102. Okay, 101 plus 102. How we can start counting? We have to start counting from the right side. Okay, we have to count from the right side. So we have to take a one by one digit. Okay, so here we have to take first this. So 1 plus 2 we have to do. So 1 plus 2 means bigger number is 2, then we have to add 1 in that. So 2 plus 1 means 3. Okay, so 2 plus 1 means 3. We have to place exactly down to this. Then we have to go to left side. Okay, we have to go to left side one by one. So here next one is 0 and 0, right? This is 0 and 0. So 0 plus 0 means 0, right? Then again we have to go to here where the 1 plus 1 is there. 1 plus 1 means 1 plus 1 means 2. Okay, so exactly we have to put like this, 2. So 101 plus 102 is 203. Okay, let's take another example. 503 plus 23. Okay, how we will start counting? From the right we will start counting. But if you see, the one digit is not there, right? Here if you see 101, exactly same digit number is there. 102 here, 53, then same digit number 2 and 4, right? So if nothing is here, then we can put a 0 here. Okay, so let's start. 3 plus 3 means 3 plus 3 we have to count 3, and then we have to count. So we will start from 4, 5 and 6, right? We have to count till 3, so 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 is there. We have to exactly put down to the exactly this digit, right, where we have done the counting. Then we have to go to left side, so this one will come, right? 0 plus 2, another one, right? So 0 plus 2 means 0 means nothing, and plus 2 means 2 plus 0. Let's say if I have a 2 chocolates, and if I am going to add a 0 chocolate, then how much is there? Only 2, right? That's how, only 2. Same thing, we have to put exactly down to this, right? So 2. And then another way is 5 plus 0. This, now we have to go to left side, and where is that? 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 means 5 plus 0 means only 5, not 0. Okay, 5 plus 5 means 5 plus 0 means 5. 5 chocolates if I am having, and if I am going to add 0 chocolates, then how many are there? 5, right? Okay, so that's how we have to start counting. Let's take another example. 203 plus 531 plus. What we have to do first is we have to start counting by right side, right? So 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means we have to count from 4, and we have to add 1, right? So 3 and 1 is 4, right? So 4. Then another is we have to go to left side, and we have to take this another digit, right? So which is 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 means only 3. And now we have to go to another left side, right? Then this is coming 2 plus 5 means 5 is the bigger number, we have to add in it as a 2, right? So we will start counting with the 6 and 7. So 7. Answer is 734. Next is 5 6 7 1 0 0. Okay, we have to start working on this. So 7 plus 0 means 7. Then we'll go to left, where the 6 plus 0 means 6, and then we have to go to left again. Then 5 plus 1 means 5 plus 1 means 5, and then 1 means 6, right? So 6. So answer is 667. Thanks for watching. Now we will do the exercise for addition counting for more than one digit number. Let's get started. First is 103 plus 213, 230. Okay, so first we have to start from 3 plus 3, right? From right we have to start counting. So here 3 plus 3 is the first digit number, we have to count. Then 3 plus 3 means 3, then 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so that is the 6. Then another one is 0 plus 1. 0, we have to go to left side, so 0 plus 1 means 1. Okay, and then again we have to go to left side, which is 1 plus 2, this one, right? So 2 plus 1 means 2 and 3. So answer is 316, right? Now 316. Then again the another one example is 516 plus 323. How will start? First we have to count for right side, right? So 6 plus 3, 6, 7 8 and 9. So 9. 2 plus 1 means 1. We have to go to left side, then 1 plus 2, right? So bigger one is 2, right? So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 means 3. Now we have to go to left side, then 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Then next is 812 plus 512. We have to start from right side. 2 plus 2 is 2, 3 and 4, right? If you see my finger, 2 plus 2 means 3 and 4, right? So 4. Then we have to go to left side. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. Then again we have to go to left side, and 8 plus 5. 8 is the bigger number, so we have to start counting from 9 till 5, the 5 number, right? So from 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 13 we have to place. Exactly we have to put down to this, right? So the answer is 1324. Okay. Next question is 500 and then 612. Okay. Then we start counting from 2 plus 2 from right. So 2 plus 2 means 4. 2, 3 and 4. Then we have to go to left. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. Exactly we have to put like this. And 5 plus 6. 6 is the bigger numbers. Then we'll start counting from 7, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. Hope it's visible. Like 6 is the bigger number, so we will start counting from 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will put 11 exactly down to this. Okay. Next one is 703 plus 58. So here if you see everywhere the digit is down to each digit, but here no digit is there, right? So as we already discussed, we have to put a 0 here, right? So we'll put a 0 and then we'll start counting from right. 3 plus 8 means 8 is the bigger number, so we will start counting from 9. 9, 10 and 11. So 11. Now what we will do is 11, we can't put 11 like this. Okay, we can't put 11 like this. What we will do is we will do a left number. We will put here as a number, right? And we will start counting the left one with this 1. Okay, so 5, 0 and 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 5 we will do. Not 11 we are going to put. Only we will put a, let's say, only we will put a 1, and then the other one we will put as a sub, okay, here, and then we will count that also in left digit counting. So 1 plus 0 plus 5 means 1, and 5 means 6, and then 7 plus 0 means 7. So whenever one digit count is happening, then it's fine. But if the counting is greater than to 10, so what we will do is we only put the right number here, and the left, whichever digit is there, number is there, we have to put as a complement to left one. Okay, so we will start counting that also in the left counting. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe Learning Latest One.